Hello everyone, I will start a new project and upload a step-by-step videos and tutorials. I will talk about many different topics, for example architectural topics, structural and constructional topics, MEP and electrical and scheduling or quantities, and many different topics. In this video I will start a new project and change the units. First of all, click on new and select the architectural template project. Okay. I am using Revit 2020, but if you have earlier version you can follow me easily. This template by default uses the American units. We will create later on our own template. To change the units, go to Manage, Project Units, or use the keyboard shortcut UN. Fix your units. For length I will use meters with 2 decimal places. For area, square meters, same, cubic meters. And for slope I will use percentage. Okay, and save your project.